This guy on the phone, not yielding to the pedestrian. Police over here hiding in the cut. Yo, what are the chances you see a random ball rolling down the street? This play right here is the one that mask. Dog parkers everywhere, like left, right lane, guy in the middle of the street, you know, like. Some people have death wishes. Make it awkward for him. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm working with him, and again, this guy. I feel good about the outcome of that job. I don't know. Damn, what the hell? This guy just totally ran that light. How about you not double park? How about that? How about you not double park? I would have preferred that better. Which way are you going? Left or right? I don't know. Why? Because you fucking don't have the signal on. Oh, you're going straight. No, you're making a left. You didn't change your mind. Motherfucker. Look at this guy. Double parkers. This guy blocking the bus. Bus guy double park. Let the people off. Let's see how many cars is gonna skip up ahead. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Right to the intersection. Look. Accident waiting to happen. Look at this guy. He can't even. And there's the right way of doing it.
Mhm. That's it.
Wow, okay, presto. Wow, okay, presto. Oh, wow.
Damn. What's that about? As I was speeding past by. Yep. There you go. See? KPR 5389. KTY 4692.
Said I wasn't sick, but I'm still working on